Hello everybody, today I will show you how to add an admin on your page on Facebook, easy and quick. So let's do it. You don't need guys to do anything, just open your Facebook. For example, this is my page. You will just open your page. As you see, this is my page. Right now you will click on this three line here. And right now you have to click on page status. And you have to go direct to manage admins and click add new, or here people with Facebook access or people with task access, what you need. Click add new, click next, and I will search for the person that I wanna, for example this person, and I will click give access, and I will write my profile password, and that's it. I add an admin to my account, to my page, sorry. So that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.